Testing rough diamonds at home is a topic that attracts many gemstone enthusiasts, treasure hunters, and beginners who want to know whether a stone they found or purchased might be a real diamond. While professional gemological tests are always the most reliable, there are several simple home methods that can help you make a preliminary evaluation. One of the most popular and curious methods is the toothpaste test, especially using signal toothpaste, which is known for its fine abrasive texture. This article explains how the signal toothpaste test works, how to do it correctly, what results to expect, and its limitations. Understanding rough diamonds. Rough diamonds look very different from polished diamonds. They often have an irregular shape, appear cloudy, greasy, or dull, lack shine compared to cut diamonds, show natural crystal faces or rough edges. Because of this, rough diamonds are often confused with quartz, calcite, zircon, or glass. Why toothpaste is used to test diamonds. Signal toothpaste contains mild abrasive particles designed to remove plaque without damaging teeth. These abrasives can interact differently with stones depending on their hardness. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, Mohs hardness 10, extremely resistant to scratching and surface damage, able to maintain their surface even when rubbed with abrasive materials. Softer stones may lose surface smoothness, become dull, show fine scratches. Materials needed to perform this test: you will need a small amount of signal toothpaste, white, not gel, clean water, a soft cloth or cotton pad, the rough stone you want to test, a good light source. Step by step, signal toothpaste test. Step 1, clean the stone. Wash the stone thoroughly with water to remove dust, grease, or dirt. Dry it completely. Step 2, apply toothpaste. Put a small amount of signal toothpaste on the surface of the stone. Step 3, rubbing process. Using a soft cloth or your finger, gently rub the toothpaste on the stone in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 4, rinse and dry. Rinse the stone with clean water and dry it carefully. Step 5, observe the surface. Examine the stone under good lighting or with a magnifying glass. Interpreting the results. If the stone is a real diamond, the surface remains unchanged. No scratches or dull spots appear. The stone may look slightly cleaner or brighter. If the stone is not a diamond, fine scratches may appear. The surface may look dull or cloudy. The stone may lose its natural shine. Why this test works and its limits. Scientific reasoning. Diamonds resist abrasion due to their atomic structure. Toothpaste abrasives cannot scratch a diamond. Softer minerals may be affected even by mild abrasives. Limitations. Limitations. This test cannot confirm 100% authenticity. Some hard stones, like moissanite or quartz, may also resist damage. Surface coatings or treatments can affect results. Important warnings. Never use aggressive scrubbing. Do not test valuable or certified diamonds. Avoid toothpaste gels or whitening paste with chemicals. This test is only a preliminary indicator. Combine with other home tests. For better accuracy, combine the toothpaste test with water test. Diamond sinks quickly. Fog test. Diamond clears instantly. Magnification test. Look for inclusions. Scratch test on glass. With caution. The signal toothpaste test is a simple, low-risk home method to help distinguish rough diamonds from softer imitation stones. While it cannot replace professional testing, it is a useful first step for beginners and collectors. If your stone passes multiple home tests, the next step is to take it to a certified gemologist for confirmation. If you want SEO optimized version, YouTube script, documentary voice, thumbnail idea matching this article,